Hey, my friends, what's going on? What's going on with your land? What's going on with your life? How you doing? How you feeling today? What's up with you? So I'm going for my morning run here. I'm super excited. And I was thinking about something here real quick. Just want to share this video. Talk about the confusion of choices. How, when you start having more choices, you can get to a place in your life, in your business. The more choices that you start having, the more confused you become. The confusion of choices. One thing, you're going to get to a point in your business where you either know so much where now you become confused into what you should do. I remember trying to build a business online, right? As you start accumulating different knowledge. Maybe you learn affiliate marketing, maybe you learn YouTube, maybe you learn so many strategies, and you have this different business model that's being thrown at you, and you get super excited. You say, I'm gonna do everything. Like, I'm gonna do business A, business B, business C. Then what's gonna start happening is, as your day goes by, you don't know which one to tackle into. I got to a place in my business where I was selling teas, I was selling coffee, I was running a store, I had so many different business model, and I had the whole concept of I'm building multiple streams of income. Like, that was the whole concept. A lot of people like to throw this stuff out like randomly. Hey, you building multiple streams of income. You join business A, you join the next thing, you join into business B, you join business C. What starts happening as the days goes by, you have so many things to do, so many things on your mind, you don't know which one to pick in. So now it puts you in a place where you thought you was gonna have multiple streams of income, but you have multiple streams of bills. That was my case. Like, I'm looking at the end of the month, I'm paying for business A, I'm paying for product B, product C, product D. I thought I had multiple streams of income, but it was multiple streams of bills. And my focus being all over the place, it could not create the results that I want because of the fact that I had so many options. I needed to layer down into that one thing. So the thing is, before you got yourself so many choices, whatever you're trying to do in life, the more broad you go, the more choices that you create for yourself, the less focused you become. And I guarantee you, you gotta pick one thing you can put all your attention, all your focus into. It becomes a lot easier for you to build that one big thing. As I grow, like I said, when I first started in my business, I made a lot of mistakes, right? And I'm sharing with you the options, how options of choices, it creates that fallacy that you're gonna have so much things going on, but it's not gonna get you where you really want. So when I start focusing on building one brand, one thing, the main thing, focus. You must have the focus. When you have focus into that one thing, you keep that main thing, the main thing, you can focus long term and build that thing exponentially. Now, it's okay if you have the skill set to create little different streams of income around, but your main focus wants to be on one specific thing. So when I start building brands and I start building a brand, a specific brand, I keep my focus into just one business. One bit instead of going all around and stuff. I know I have the skill set. I can do this. I can do left. Like, people will pull me left and right, left and right. But once you become focused, there's a saying that says that wherever focus go, attention follows and results follows. So if you put your focus into that one thing, guess what? You're going to have more attention and you're going to create more results, and exponentially it's going to grow a lot faster than having your attention being divided in so many different options that you have. But anyway, guys, that was your boy Casey. I'm going to go for my full run. Just wanted to jump on this live. Tag someone if you find some value. By the way, I'm holding a 5 days challenge called Monetize Your Brand, where I'm going to show you specific strategies we've used to create 7 figures in our brand, some of the brands that we've built. And I want to show you some of the strategy because they are systemized. And the thing with a system is that anybody can use a system. Once you have a system, it means it's predictable. A system, it becomes predictable because you know the outcome. You know the input, then you know the outcome. So what I've done in the last couple of years, I ended up creating systems that I can predict the outcome because I've tested with other people. The reason I know there are systems, I've tested with other people and the same results come out. Send me the link, bro. Let's do it, Chris. Let's do it, man. It's going down. So get on this challenge. It's for 5 days called mybchallenge.com, which is monetize your brand. I'm going to show you the strategy you can actually use to monetize your brand for the long term and create the desired results that you want in your life and in your business. So go to mybchallenge.com. If you don't know how to spell, look on my page, you'll see a flyer, mybchallenge.com. I'm going to be there from Monday to Friday for 1 hour with you. I'm going to break down some of those crazy strategies, some of the craziest things that we're doing in our business. When it comes to traffic generation, what I'm going to show you how to get millions and millions of eyeballs to your brand every single day. But that takes focus. But once you get it, you understand how to create it. And monetization becomes a lot easier once you understand traffic generation. But anyway, guys, remember, options can make you crazy. Focus on the main thing, which is your brand. Make it happen. All right. Yo, Chris, I'm going to give you a call real quick, bro. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. See you guys later, right?